Hello friends, I'm Professor Hans von Puppet. Thank you for watching this video. Now that you've watched and enjoyed it, I would like you to do one of several things. You can do them all if you like. First, subscribe, so you can always know when there are new videos added and you will never miss anything new again. You can also like it. It's always nice to be liked, don't you think? Everyone likes to be liked. And you can like this video as well. And finally, you can share. Yes, let everyone know how great you thought this video was. Tell the world about it. Shout it from the highest rooftops or just click the share button. Share it on your website, with your friends. All the buttons you need are right down there below, or up there, or right here somewhere. I can't see them from this side. Thank you.